When it comes to SunTech paint protection film, also known as PPF, most people have no idea how it's made. But Josh here is going to take us behind the scenes to fill us in.
Hey Donnie, let's go.
Let's do it.
So this is where we start?
That's right, extrusion. We bring in raw urethane pellets and take them through our conveyance system into different hoppers so that we can combine different pellets to get the properties that we want within our process. From there, we're melting down those pellets, taking them through a screw, through a huge block of metal that pushes out that material onto a casting sheet. The casting sheet is going through the machine, being trimmed down to our final width and wound up for the next process step.
What? This thing is gigantic.
3 stories, gigantic.
Wow.
This is our newest coating and laminating machine. We take that film from the extrusion step and bring it up here through multiple process steps. We are coating it, drying it, making sure that coating is ready to go, and trimming it down for final customer use. It has to go through multiple process steps to make sure each coating is fit for what we need it to do in the field for our customers.
Wow. Hey, well that explains it.
Absolutely.
So that's SunTech paint protection film behind the scenes.